The art of woodworking. Free download, link in description.
The Wahuda Tools 50110CC-WHD Benchtop Wood Jointer has garnered positive reviews for its ability to create perfectly flat surfaces and edges with ease. The key features highlighted by users include the cutting-edge sharpness of the spiral cutter head, steady performance powered by a 120 volts motor, and the solid build of adjustable and expandable cast iron tables. The jointer is suitable for various woodworking tasks, such as edging, jointing, flattening, or tapering, making it a versatile tool for both job sites and small shops. The innovative spiral cutter head with four-sided carbide insert sets the Wahuda jointer apart, offering sharper and quieter cutting precision compared to traditional straight knives. Users appreciate the cost-effectiveness and simplicity of replacing the standard-sized blades when needed. The machine's design allows for easy setup, minimizing fuss and mess, ensuring users are always ready for the next woodworking step. The review emphasizes the convenience and stability of Wahuda jointers, attributing their reliability to the cast iron tables and adjustable features. The tables are equipped with extension arms, providing flexibility for different wood lengths. Users can guide their stock effortlessly with the aluminum fence that tilts at 90 and 135 degrees for maximum versatility. The extension arms, available for 8 and 10 inches variants, contribute to the overall roominess, allowing users to work with larger pieces comfortably. The 6 inches, 8 inches, and 10 inches variants cater to different needs and shop sizes. The 6-inch model is praised for its compact size and mobility, making it ideal for smaller workshops and job sites. The 8-inch jointer offers more room to work with wider, longer pieces of wood, while the 10-inch jointer is recommended for those working with even larger and longer wood pieces. User testimonials highlight the ease of setup, quiet operation, and the ability to produce smooth and accurate cuts. Some users appreciate the affordability of the jointer compared to other brands. However, there are minor concerns raised, such as the aluminum fence and the need for careful setup to achieve optimal performance. One user reported a loose screw attaching the motor to the housing but noted that it didn't cause damage. In summary, the Wahuda Tools 50110CC-WHD Benchtop Wood Jointer appears to be a reliable and versatile tool for woodworkers, offering innovative features, ease of use, and competitive pricing. Users praise its cutting precision, solid construction, and suitability for various woodworking tasks, making it a recommended choice for both beginners and experienced woodworkers alike.